If your overlap shed has suffered some damage, and you find yourself needing to replace a board or two, this handy guide will show you how. Start off by assessing the damage and working out how many boards you will need to replace. Then remove any trims so that you can access the edges of the boards. Use a flat-headed screwdriver to ease under the edge of the board and prise the timber away from the nail. Use a larger tool such as a crowbar to pry the timber away from the central framing. This should allow you enough room to remove the board. Remove any exposed nails with a claw hammer. If you have multiple damaged boards, repeat this process until you have removed all of the damaged timber. Use a tape measure to measure the length of your shed boards and cut some new boards to the required length. Slot the new timber under the board above, making sure it is level on both sides and the above board overlaps by approximately 1 inch. Use nails to fasten the new board in place as shown. Repeat this for as many boards as you have replaced, again making sure each board overlaps without exposing any gaps before nailing in place. Your new timber will then need treating or painting to protect it from the elements. Your overlap shed will now be looking as good as new. For more help and advice, check out our other videos on our channel or visit waltons.co.uk.